sa may galaw. Sa ludo ang hatid na rapper sa pena. May diskarte ng lakas. May pinasling ang treno. Walang artist na nagbas. Tropa kadikit, kaibigang kapatid. Isa ka sa may galaw. Sa ludo ang hatid ng artista. Hindi ka dapat mag-it.
I throw the box, okay?
Okay. Ayan.
It's not good, man.
Huh? Because I'm tired already, you know. I have 2 jobs. Oh, I'm in 3 jobs.
3 jobs?
Yeah, in the morning I work in my second job.
This is good, man. Because I know.
That's why
This
you know,
is not sure. Maybe after 2 years, this will grow. Maybe I think.
you think so?
Yeah, I do, man. I help you, man. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay? My bro, you left here one. First I throw out that box. Then I come.
Yeah.
And it is, you wait job yesterday?
In my day off, Friday, Saturday,
Oh.
and my
What?
second is when I work here.
Mm.
I work in the morning in my second job.
Oh, okay. Eh,
Same.
you live here. You live here, man.
Yeah.
I do this one. You live here. I do.
I can do, but I know it's hard to
Yeah,
find
this
that
one is
because
good.
my hand is already
Yeah,
tired.
because you know, if you this one, this very dangerous, this chemical, man.
Uh-huh.
I told you a lot of time.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes you use, daily not use, because when this coming water in your mouth, you are a sensor, man. After, so you put the stop and then give the half an hour. Okay, first I throw it on the box.
Okay.